Pollinators are insects and birds that carry pollen from one flower to another, helping plants to grow fruits and seeds. Without pollinators, we wouldn't have many of the fruits and vegetables we count on for food. Tomatoes, apples, cucumbers, blueberries, even chocolate would disappear from our tables. Canada has more than 1,000 species of pollinating insects, including more than 800 species of bees. Sadly, many of them are endangered. Habitat loss is a significant threat, and chemicals sprayed on lawns and gardens can poison or kill these pollinators. You can help both gardens and pollinators by planting a variety of wildflowers and not using chemicals on your lawn or garden, and that's just a start. To learn more about pollinators and how you can help them, visit hw.ca.